Ano, saan? Saan video na? Saan video na? Saan?
Okay, so ayan po, na-arrange na po pala kanina. Nag-iisip pa tayo dito. So, mga anak, for the juniors, mag-start tayo from Jerome to Zaisha. Thank you very much. And
At least college magkano yung kanilang damit ngayon Congratulations again, Mr. Labang and Mr. Alcala. Alright, we'll start with the first special award, and that is Mr. Head Turner of the Night.
may we request the advisor for Mr. Head Turner of the Night Junior. We have Mr. Zaijan Martin. May we request the advisor of Mr. Zaijan Martin to please bring the sash.
Okay, congratulations to Mr. Zaijan Martin. And let's proceed to our seniors. The recipient for Mr. Head Turner of the Night Senior High School is Mr. Edlan Balugay. And to be the session, I request his advisor, Ma'am Wilma Mamba. The ever-blooming Ma'am Wilma Mamba.
Anong sash niya?
Pang Miss World ang Ma'am Wilma. 2030 ba? Isang rampa naman dyan, Ma'am.
Alright, for our next award, we have Mr. Darling of the Crowd. For juniors, we have Mr. Cheno Gonzalez. May we request the advisor of Mr. Cheno Gonzalez to please pin the sash. O, if the mother po is around, you may accompany the advisor. Okay lang po.
And of course, our senior, Mr. Darling of the crowd is no other than Mr. Brian Santoro. And to award the sash, or be the sash again, our Miss Wow 2045, Ma'am Wilma Mamba. Baka meron po yung parent ni Mr. Santoro. Pwede po kayo pumunta sa harap. Congratulations, our winners of Mr. Darling of the crowd. Ma'am Kat?
Alright, for our next award, for the juniors, Mr. Face of the Night, we have Mr. John Brian Baligon of Grade 10 Matapat. May I request the advisor, will the parents who mentioned po, to please pin the sash of Mr. John Brian Baligon as
our senior recipient of Mr. Face of the Night is no other than Mr. Mark Dustin Kalindoy. And again, to be the such may we have the ever gorgeous Ma'am Wilma Umamba.
Naku, mukhang makot award ang Ma'am Wilma ito ah.
Congratulations, our winners of Face of the Night. Ma'am Kat?
Alright, for our next award, we have Mr. Elegance from the juniors. We have Mr. Dominic Zingabo from grade 10 Matapak. May I request our guidance advocate, Ma'am Jane Z. Cacho, to win the sash together with the advisor.
And of course, the recipient of Mr. Elegance in the senior high school is no other than Mr. CJ Mateo. To be the sash request for his advisor, Ma'am Regina Jane Batay, the parent, and of course, our senior high school coordinator, Ma'am Evelyn C. Polar.
Galing mo eh.
Lakwan. Dapat magpaspas.
Alright, congratulations, our recipient of Mr. Elegance.
Alright, let's move on to our Prom King 2025 from the juniors. We have no other than Mr. Jerome Pamintan from section Maalalahanin with the class advisor. Ma'am Grace, together with the parent, and maybe also request Ma'am Marma Agustin if you are still around. Alright, Ma'am Grace Kawani, together with the parent po, to please pin the sash of our Prom King 2025 from the juniors.
Alright, congratulations to our recipient from the juniors. And now, seniors, this is your Prom King. We have Mr. Nicolon Patrick. And to be the such, I request again the advisor, Ma'am Wilma Bamba, and of course, sa kanyang parents, Ms. Francisco, with our SPA President, Ma'am Rodeline Doctor.
Alright, congratulations, gentlemen from the juniors as well as the seniors for having received those special awards. So maybe now request the recipients, mga anak.
Tudog-tugtog lang yan.